Someone told me last year that he thought I was a Yahoo boy when we first met, not until he actually witnessed what I do. So let's talk about this in this video. How do you do so well for yourself as a trader? People think you are into crime. And I'll be giving away this iPhone 17 and details on how to win it at the end of the video. Now, most people don't believe money is actually made from trading. And honestly, they are not wrong. They have been hurt really, really bad. And statistics even shows that about 85% of traders lose all their money within 90 days of trading, and most never come back. So this skepticism makes sense. But there is a 15% who are in the game and making a living from it. And I'm not talking about influencers and people selling courses. I mean actual traders, people sitting in front of the chart and making real money. So what do they do differently? I'm about to give you an insight that nobody in this space has given you. The difference between the 85% and the 15% is simply the plan. An extremely boring plan. The 15% follow this plan. The 85% don't. Many don't even know that there's a plan. Now, if you've been losing as a trader, you are probably not going to like a lot of what I'm about to say. So you can just stop watching right now. But if you stay, you'll understand why just one trade a month can move you into that 15%. Now, let's talk about this plan. It is so boring that most traders will not follow it. There are 5 stages to this plan. You need to follow them stage by stage. The first stage is learning. And this is not as simple as just buying a course. 90% of courses, mentorship, and paid communities out there are just noise. Some are outright fraud. I learned this the hard way. I spent over $13,000 trying to find the right knowledge. Courses after courses, indicators after indicators, private communities, mentorship. And when I look back, I shouldn't have spent $13,000. At most $1,800, because out of everything I bought and subscribed for, only 2 of them were worth it. One course for $1,300 and the other for $495. And if I'm being honest, the $495 one was just all I needed. This is the reality of the learning stage. You could hit gold in the first month, or it could take you years depending on when you find what actually works. That is stage 1. Stage 2 is backtesting. Once you have the knowledge, don't touch the live chart yet. You backtest the right way. A lot of people go to TradingView and just open the TradingView chart and just look at data and just feel that backtesting. That is not backtesting. You have to backtest the right way using proper tools like FX Replay and going through at least 6 months of historical data across multiple assets. Why? Because backtesting tells you which assets your strategy actually works better on, not which one looks good, which one performs, and you're going to confirm that. A strategy with a 40 to 50% win rate and a minimum risk reward of 2R is all you need to be profitable. I personally go for a minimum of 3R. If your strategy achieves this, then 3 to 8% P&L a month is a realistic and fantastic target. This stage alone can take you up to a month. Don't rush this. Once we're done with backtesting, we'll move to the next stage, which is which is demo trading. You have to do this for 2 to 3 months minimum. Notice that at this stage, you haven't even touched real money, and we are already 4 to 5 months in. This is exactly why most people fail. They cannot handle the boredom of the process. But demo trading does 3 things that are fundamental to your success. One is that it shows you how trading fits into your real life. Not the version of your life where you are free to sit in front of the chart all day. Your actual life, work, travel, family, emotion, everything. Can you actually take the setup you found in the backtesting when they show up in real life? Or do you miss them because life gets in the way? 2, in demo trading, you have to journal. A tool like EdgeWonk makes it really effortless. What you do with EdgeWonk is that you connect your MT4, MT5, or even your Bybit accounts, and it automatically does the journaling for you in real time. The data that you get from this show you exactly where you are leaking and what you need to adjust. You cannot do this by just journaling this in yourself or just cramming it in your brain. My swing trading strategy, for example, gives me 0 to 3 trades opportunities a week. So 2 to 3 months of demo trading gives enough trades to actually see a pattern in your performance. The third thing that demo trading does, and this one is really important, is that demo trading tells you if trading is actually for you. If it is not, you're going to find out here before risking a single dollar. Your only risk so far in this journey will have been the money you spent on acquiring the knowledge and the tools like FX Replay that you bought. That may hurt your feeling, but it's nothing compared to losing real money to the market on top of it. If your demo trading results are good and consistent within the 3 to 8% range, then you are ready for stage 4. Live account. In stage 4, you fund a small live account, say $100 to $500. Trade it for another 2 to 3 months as well. This is where real psychology kicks in. Demo trading and live trading feels completely different when your money is on the line. Now, if you make it through this stage, you now have 4 to 6 months of real journaled data. You know your win rate, your actual win rate. You know which asset works for you, and you know your edge. And with that, you're now ready for stage 5. And in stage 5 is where the real money is being made. Stage 5 is prop firm. This is a stage that changes everything. You get a funded account from a reputable prop firm. Now, there are so many prop firm out there. You see adverts on YouTube for so many prop firm. Many of them are shady. You have to look for a reputable one, and I linked 2 of them in the description of this video. Now, for prop firm, you pay for valuation, maybe say for a $20,000 account. You need to start small, and you risk about 0.5 or 0.25% a data you will confirm from your journal data. When you pass this evaluation and start trading with a prop firm, you can now scale up to $500,000. Now, do the math. 3 to 8% on a 200K account is $6K to $16,000 a month. On a 500K account, it is $15K to $40,000 a month. And you get to keep 80 to 90% of that. When people now see your account and see how you're living and they cannot explain it, they say you're doing Yahoo.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man. No, I wasn't thinking about it.
But you know exactly where it came from. A plan followed consistently for 1 to 2 years. But the question is, Is 1 to 2 years worth it for you? Can you wait and be consistent for 1 to 2 years to actually do this? Many people cannot. But once you get to this level, there are even more ways to level up, including scaling your accounts even more without increasing your risk and offering your services to others. That is actually why I am building CopyMe, a platform that lets you connect your trading accounts and automatically copy the trades of vetted professional traders. It works somewhat like a prop firm evaluation. On the trader side, traders only go public when they meet the criteria and are removed automatically if they fall short of the criteria at any time. Copiers control their own risks, the number of trades they take, and even the pair they copy from the traders. We are still in development, but the waitlist is open. The link is in the description of this video. Now, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon if you have gotten value from this video. To win the iPhone 17, it is really simple. Join the trading competition that I'm organizing. The link is in the description. The best trader wins this iPhone 17. But even if you don't win, you still have opportunity to become a trader in CopyMe if you meet the criteria. Being a trader actually scale up your income if copiers copy your trades. So see you in the competition.